Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the GTA 5 error code 1005, and let's get straight into the video. So for this error code, you can go over to Steam, right click on it, hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can make your way over to library. From library, go down to GTA 5 wherever it's installed. Right click on it, hit properties, and then you go over to installed files, and then go ahead and just verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that it just removes any like corrupt files that you may have, or yeah. And once that's done, you can X out. You can go over to Steam on the top left, hit exit, and this kind of like restart Steam. You can start Steam back up, and then you can start GTA 5, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If you have it installed on the Epic Games Launcher, you can do the same thing, run it as an administrator. Once Epic Games Launcher is open, you can make your way over to Library. Then you can scroll down, look for GTA, click on the three dots, go over to Manage, and then go over to Verify Files. Once that is done, you can also X out and just start start the Epic Games Launcher back up. Another thing you guys can do is, instead of starting it from the Epic Games Launcher or Steam, you can just directly start it from the Rockstar Games Launcher. And yeah, and once you do all of these steps and you guys restart your PC, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.